Hi guys, I am here with my October setup on my Moterm blue and orange, which you can purchase at Amazon. I will link it down below if you're interested. So let's see what our October looks like. It's pretty thick to begin with. So I am using this as my wallet. My cards, I did pull my driver's license and stuck it in here for right now. I keep some stickers in this slot and some receipts and papers that I may need. In this pocket on the top, I keep papers that I need. And I have tabs, something I did not have last month. I have tabs, they're all made by a paper pad from Michaels. First one is a tracker, and this was my index, vellum, sticky notes from Walmart, habit tracker, cleaning tracker, my meal prep, my meal ideas, my menu, some extra graph paper, my weekly tracker, my reoccurring task, my mood tracker. I did add a Christmas list for the family. This is this vellum, and this is my plan to keep track on my planner so I can follow what I do or plan on it. This is my tracker that tracks when I look at my planner. This is my color key. I've added a insert for my pet. I've added an insert that I was already using previously for my husband. And then I have a piece of vellum, good vibes, a piece of cardstock, some sticky notes in the back. They're all from Agenda 52. Next tab is calendar, and I will not be showing you my calendar because I will be posting pictures on Instagram. So if you want to see how my October looks for both or all three of my monthlies, just stay tuned. But I currently have the same monthlies I had previously. This is the ones from September to November from Marsha Bermucci, and then the ones in the back are from Peanuts Planet Co. free printable. And then after that, I have my weekly, which I will not show you either, but they're the Buju. I will be posting a picture of the way my weekly looks on Instagram as well. And I have added a new weekly, which, same thing, will be in my Instagram. And then of course my dailies, which are the same by Marsha Bermucci. Next tab is my kids tab, and I'll just show you, I'm using this as a schedule for school. I have assignments here, and then in the back I just have their schedule, some sticky notes, and in the back I have trackers for their mood, health, and notes. Next tab is my financial section, and this is the insert I use to track my bills. This is my monthly, and then I have a check registry for all of my accounts, and I have this insert right here, which is the whole year round from Peanuts Planet Co. as well. And then the next tab is my personal tab, and in this one I have this cardstock, says happiness blooms from within, plan a life you love. I have my fitness tracker that I'm currently using, and then in the back of this I just have what I'm watching and what I'm reading. My next section is a to-do section, and this one has my notes, my action list, my next action list, my someday maybe, my inbox, and then notes in general, and my passcodes. This is the other insert I have in the back of my financial section, which is my monthly budget. I have a pocket stuck to this in the back with stickers, sticky notes. There's more cards in the back of these sticky notes that I use. In this zipper, I have stickers. And this pen that I'm currently using is the Pilot Friction in 0.05 in black. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.